Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our ignition and door lock cylinder set with black bezels. Made for the 61 to 66 Ford trucks, the 66 to 67 Bronco, and the 61 to 66 Ford cars. This is a reproduction of the original design, but updated with black bezels for a more modern or custom look. The set includes the ignition cylinder, both driver and passenger side door lock cylinders, 2 retainers, and 3 matching keys. Everything you need for a complete refresh on your project. Whether you're restoring your ride or replacing worn out locks, this set keeps things secure while keeping that classic style intact. And as always, you can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.